You are being lied to about the largest debt of your life. Banks are considering offering a deal that sounds like a life raft, but it's a 50-year financial anchor designed to steal your family's future wealth. If you've heard about the prospect of a new 50-year loan, you need to watch this now. We're not talking about affordability, we're talking about financial servitude that lasts longer than your entire career. Welcome to Wealth Beyond the Paycheck. Today, we expose the shocking cost of this deal and reveal why the 50-year mortgage would be the single most destructive tool ever created against generational wealth. Let the mission begin. So let's talk about some pros for a 50-year mortgage, the seduction of immediate affordability. Every financial trap begins with a sweet lie. This is how the bank tries to seduce the new investor, forcing them to focus only on short-term relief. Pro number 1, the false breathing room. Spreading the loan over 5 decades dramatically shrinks your monthly obligation. Example 1, your $400,000 loan at 7% drops from $2,661 to just $2,390 per month. That $270 reduction isn't savings, it's a form of quantitative easing. The bank gives you just enough breathing room to keep you persuadable. We demand that you recognize this $270 as a cent capital that must be invested, not consumed. Pro number 2, the illusion of increased power. Because your monthly commitment is lower, lenders qualify you for a larger loan today. Example 2, you get the $450,000 house instead of the $400,000 house. This feels like victory, but it is a strategic error. You are simply qualifying for a larger debt sentence. Remember the Wealth Beyond the Paycheck rule: never qualify for a debt, qualify for an asset. Pro number 3, the unreliable escape route, arbitrage. Some argue the lower payment frees up capital that can be invested for higher returns. Example 3, this is the most dangerous argument. It requires decades of flawless execution, a perfect stock market, and an investor who never caves to temptation. This is a gamble, not a strategy. We teach discipline, not dependence on hypotheticals. Now let's switch gears and talk about the cons, the sabotage of generational wealth. Now for the painful truth. This is the moment you must confront the enemy's long-term plan against your family's financial freedom. Con number 1, the financial assassination via interest. The extra 20 years of compounding is not just expensive, it is a financial assassination of your potential. Example 1, the 30-year loan cost $558,000 in interest. The 50-year loan costs a catastrophic $1,034,000 in interest. That $500,000 difference is the legacy tax you pay for prioritizing comfort over discipline. That is not money. That is the entire cost of the next asset your family should inherit. Con number 2, trapped in the equity erosion zone. The 50-year term is designed to keep you trapped. Almost every dollar you pay for years goes to the bank's profit, not your ownership. In example 2, we call this the equity erosion trap. You will be paying down principal at a fraction of the rate of a 30-year loan. This means if market values stagnate, you are trapped and underwater for nearly a decade. You lose the mobility required to capitalize on new asset opportunities. Con number 3, the debt sentence to age 80. If you buy at 30, you're paying until you are 80 years old. This is not financial freedom. This is a debt sentence that consumes your retirement years. Example 3, your primary goal in retirement is to have your assets generate income, not to dedicate that income to service debt you took on 50 years prior. The 50-year loan guarantees that your final years will be spent paying the bank, actively destroying the comfort and stability your legacy was supposed to provide. The final verdict: your mission is compromised. The bank would secure their guaranteed interest for 50 years. Your mission to achieve wealth beyond the paycheck would be fundamentally sabotaged by this product. It prioritizes short-term comfort over long-term absolute financial control. Your goal isn't just to buy a home, it's to own it and use that equity as a weapon for future growth. The call to action: avoid this product at all costs. Commit to the rigorous discipline of aggressive principal payments. Your future self and your family's legacy demands it. I am Karla Sinclair, and thank you for watching Wealth Beyond the Paycheck. If you're ready to build a financial legacy that truly creates wealth beyond the paycheck, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next mission.